What's up, WPMU Dev? This is Charlie, and I'd like to show you how I went about kind of solving this little problem that I keep seeing on the forums over and over and over again. People want to take their Events Plus plugin and create multiple prices for the same event and not have to create multiple events with different price points. So to do that, we're going to integrate Events Plus and Marketpress. Now, this is kind of a MacGyver-ish way to work around it. It probably isn't the cleanest way, and totally having this feature built into Events Plus is better. But in the meantime, this does work. And if you're good with CSS, you can style it the way you want. So to do this, with this integration, we're actually going to be using Marketpress's payment gateways. So Marketpress basically is what you're going to need for payments. You're going to need the cart system, and you're ultimately going to be purchasing products that are related to events. In my event settings, when you go to Events Plus, you're going to need to activate payments via Marketpress products. This is going to allow you to integrate Events Plus with Marketpress and ultimately allow you to have Events Plus see Marketpress products. Then I have, where is it? Up here somewhere. It's right here. Okay, so payments via Marketpress product settings, limit product selection to this product category. I've just chosen events. So if you have a store and an events page, you can segment them this way too and kind of keep them separate still. But basically, events is the category of product that Events Plus is going to be looking at. So here is my events screen. There's no events. And here is products, and there's no products. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product. Now let's say I have a concert and I want to make sure that adults pay $10, kids pay $7, and senior citizens can pay $5. So there's 3 different price points. This is a very common situation that you might want to do, at least something like it. So I'm just going to name this product, and I'm going to name this test product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the events category because this is what Events Plus is looking at. Then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to put my 3 different product details, my 3 different variations of my price points. So I add 2 variations. This one's going to be $10, this one's going to be $7, and this one's going to be $5. And I'm just going to I can give these things random SKUs if I want, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Let's just do that because it doesn't really matter that much. For tracking purposes, maybe this will matter. And then I'm going to put adult here. Adults, kids, and seniors. So these are my 3 price points that I wanted for this product. Now you can add any content in here you want, but it really doesn't matter because people are going to be using Events Plus to as far as the user interface goes, they're going to be using Events Plus. As far as a cart goes, as far as checkout goes, they're going to be using Marketpress. So I'm going to go ahead and just publish this. This is creating a product, and while that's publishing, I'm going to come back and we're going to create an event now. So once this is done, and it is done, I'm going to go ahead and create the event. And let's say this is a concert or something, right? So I'll go and say this is concert, probably spelled with a T. And this is my concert with multiple prices. Okay, so I have a start date and time. Let's just make this random date. Let's say it starts at 12, and let's say it gets over at 18. It's a really long concert. Let's do it. We have nothing else to do here except we can put it in a category if we want, but the main point you're looking at is event type. And it says, is this a paid event? We're going to say yes, and then it's going to ask you for a fee. You don't need to insert this. In fact, if you do, it will break the system. It will break the whole plan will be ruined. Instead, select the product that's in this list. So we'll select this one. This is product. Now this is what I named it. It's not actually going to be named product. If you named it something else, that's cool. But my test product, as you can see, was named product. So that's what this is. If you have multiple products will appear in the list. So let's go ahead and hit publish. Okay. So what we've done is we've created a product. We've given it 3 different pricing structures. And then we've said, Events Plus, look at that product. And so Events Plus is now looking at this product for its cues on what the price is going to be. So let's take a look at what this product looks like now on the front end. And it won't look very pretty because it's very simple, but this is exactly what it essentially looks like right now. So it says about this event, it takes place on this day, and you'll notice that the price says from $5. That's the cue that it worked, from $5. The lowest price of this is $5. If I click I'm attending, what it'll do right now is it will bring down the box and it will say, okay, what do you want to purchase? I'm attending. Now what do you want? We have adults for $10, kids for $7, and seniors for $5. What kind of ticket do you want to purchase? And then there you go. You have all this. And if you want to link your SKUs and your different variations to different downloadable ticket files, you can do that too. So we'll go ahead and select, I don't know, kids 10, whatever. We'll add it to cart. So this will get added to my cart. Now I'm using Marketpress to check out. So I don't have a menu item for this, unfortunately. So I'm going to go ahead and just manually type it in because I know it's in my shopping cart. So there we go. Now I've been testing this theory for a while. So what we have here is essentially multiple products here. But what you're really looking at is product adults. These are from before. These are my old testing. The only thing that's been added for this particular time is product adults. And you can tell because test product is not the name of my product. And test product with multiple prices kids is not the name of my product. So this is what's been added. If you have coupon codes in Marketpress, you can also apply them here too. Those will still work. And yeah, everything will kind of work out. And then you can go ahead and check out using the Marketpress payment gateway. So I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, I guess you can't really leave me a comment necessarily. So leave me a comment on the video, I guess, or something in the WPMU threads. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching.